Welcome back, guys. If you are watching this video right now, I want to congratulate you for your successful completion of the phase 1 of this training, and I am also welcoming you to the beginning of a new phase. Welcome to phase 2 of this training. In the previous phase, I have shown you everything you need to know about the various tabs and tools that exist on Google Spreadsheet, and I also show you how you can properly make use of them for any kind of data analysis work you may have to do on Google Spreadsheet. Now, in the second phase of this training, I'll be showing you a real-life project I have once created to run my physical business. It is actually a sales record sheet I created to record all transactions that occurs in the business premises. And the interesting part is that I built this sheet in a way that it analyzes everything independently on its own without any kind of manipulation. So I'll be taking you to my phone screen right now and show you how the sales record sheets look like and explain to you how they works. So see you right there. So this is what the sales record sheets look like. So it actually entails different categories of business, and it's 7 in numbers, and at the end it has this analysis part that analyzes everything I said automatically. So the first one is the POS. This record all POS transactions, including the profit, the transactions that we carried out. So the next one is record data, the sales of data, MTN data, have two different kinds of suppliers that we buy and sell data from. Then the next one is A to C, that is a short form of airtime to cash. In our business premises, I also convert airtime to cash, help customers to convert their excess airtime to cash. So this is the sheet we use to record that. And remember, everything records the profit, the cost price, the amount, and so on, and all other necessary information. Then the next thing again, as a kind of business that run a POS business, surely we also sell recharge cards. So this recharge card, this is the pieces version of recharge card. Then the other one here will also have the bulk version, because I also print recharge cards. So I use this to record all the recharge cards we sell in bulk. So this help us to simplify our calculations. Recharge card business with this for 5 naira, 10 naira change, 50 kobo naira profit. So it's very to just reduce the stress of calculation. That is why I designed this sheet. So this one records the amount you start with, then from the beginning of the day you record the amount you start with, then at the end of the day you record the amount you end with, and it will automatically brings out the amount you sold at that day, and you surely see the profit here. So then for the recharge card printing as well, so this records the amount of how customers buy recharge cards in bulk. 100 naira, how many pieces, let's say how many pack, it's one pack. So it's for MTN, Airtel, Glo, then it will automatically record all the amounts here. So the amount these ones are tracking is this: the amount bought, the discount that will be given, the total amount you receive after deducting the discount, and then your own profit earned. So this is actually what I'm talking about here. So just because I feel this one here, and that is why I'm having this here. So and then the next one is charging. Then I also offer the charging business, charging of people phone. We're in a kind of environment without power supply, so you charge people's device and receive payment. So like here you can feel maybe filled, any kind of spot that is filled is a 200 naira, and everything records here. So you have your total amount here for every day, for every weeks, and everything will automatically come here as well. So then the next one is the cafe service. So we also offer cafe service in this business premises, and in this service, this is where we record all kind of services we have. So be it photocopy, be it printing, scanning, online payment, online registration, and so on, online applications. So these are the kind of services we also render here. So for every service you render, let's say I want to make scanning for instance, watch this scanning, and this is the amount. By the time I select the service I have here, then it will automatically bring out the price, and then I will select the quantity. How many quantity of scanning do we make? Is it 5 copies of scan we make? Then it will automatically bring out the total here as 500 naira. That's 5 times 100. So this record sheet, everything is being automated. So that is the number 7 of the list of among the categories of business we have on this sales record sheet. And then lastly, we have this analysis tab that automatically records all the profit made in all of these 7 categories of businesses. So as you can see, the one I feel for charging 400, the one I feel for cafe 500. So everything is being shown here, and you can see the total profit you made for all the businesses you have carried out in a particular period in time. So this is actually a short form. I will, in the subsequent videos, I will take these tabs one after the other and explain to you how to fill them, how they work, and how they calculate, and all of that. So that is what I will dedicate this second phase of this training to. So it is during this second phase of this training I will show you how every single tabs in this sales record sheet works. And after we are done with this, then we'll move on to the last phase of this training, which will be phase 3. And that is where I will be showing you step by step how to build and design this kind of sales record sheet we are talking about. And I hope you made it to phase 3 of this training. Thank you for watching.